What's up, guys? This is Drive With Me, and hope you're doing well, world. And this is Drive With Me again in another video, driving through Santa Monica to Venice Beach. And hope you like this video. And this is very interesting video here, and the police is here. Somehow stopped me. Not me, but there's something happened there. So get interesting. So I'm going to drive you to Venice Beach and a little bit talk about Venice Beach, guys. Venice Beach is very famous in California. Palm tree, nice weather, young people over there. And also Venice Beach has a canal, which is kind of Italian architecture. That's why they put the name of Venice. And let's go and see it. And there's lots of things and lots of stuff in Venice, but today I'm going to drive you through Venice Beach. Hope you like it, and please subscribe and thumbs up to this video and share my video. And hope you like this drive. Today is 5:30 p.m. It's quite busy, but I try to edit it and avoid the traffic, and you can see all driving. So thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later. guys, let me take you through this narrow street. You can see we're almost in kind of beach side, so let me take you through this street and come back again here. So this is one way. I'm turning right. The street in Venice Beach is so narrow like this, very crowded. So that's it. So let me take you to there is a beach side, at least you can see it. So I'm taking back. So I will return again. This is famous walk side of Venice Beach here, and road closed. So that's a beach, that's a bike side, and this walk. And you see people just taking picture. So very busy. Okay guys, let's turn back to our street. So I'm glad I did this for you. So continue. Also, Snapchat office is here. If you're Snapchat people, the office is in Venice Beach and around here. Oh, she's walking, but so lots of scooters. Excuse me. Also, just want to let you know there is a big population of homeless in Venice Beach, so you can find a lot here. This is how narrow is the streets here in Venice Beach. And the average price of the houses here is around 10 to 20 million dollars, so it's crazy. But and parking is $10. public parking is $10, so it's quite expensive. I'm trying to find the canals. It's kind of Venice, Italy. So you can see why they put the name of Venice Beach here. It's beautiful, the canals and the water, and sometimes the houses put the boat close by. So that's a very interesting area here in Los Angeles. Okay guys, I just find where the canal is, so I'm going to shortly turn right, and then you can see beautiful canals here. I've been here before, so beautiful. It's just unbelievable. In heart of Los Angeles you can find something like this, and I'm glad that I can show you in this part of Los Angeles too. So let me turn right here. So you see this camel here, like people standing, but I will take you there too. So I think I have to come down off the car and show you the canal. There's no car, so I cannot go with the car there. So look at this, beautiful. Look at this. It's like all boats. Let me take you down and you can see it. Not much water here, no?
Not much water. It's pretty dry.
It's really dry, huh? Okay, this is beautiful here anyway. You can see boats here. So good. Okay guys, I will finish my video here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give thumbs up. If you have anything in your mind, please comment below. Thanks guys. Bye.